If you're interested in grading your cards, you can contact me at Kiel Santos or scan the QR above. We grade PSA, PGS, and TAG. So thank you guys for your support. Back to the video, guys. So, if you're interested in grading your cards, you can contact me at Kiel Santos or scan the QR above. Meron na naman tayong package, guys. This is batch 11, I think. So PSA batch 40. Yeah, batch 40 na to, guys. Meron tayo. Ang dami na napapadala. One, another one. So grade reveal na natin sila, guys. Let's go. Damn. Alright. Dan. Oricorio PSA 10. Nagmamahal yung mga Phantasmal Flames, guys. Umbreon PSA 9. So, kung may chance kayo, bumili na rin kayo ng mga Phantasmal somethings PSA 9. Oricorio again, PSA 10. Si pangalan nito, Espeon, PSA 10. Then, Umbreon, PSA 10. Next one, Mega Charizard, PSA 8. Hindi ko alam paano naging PSA 8 to. Malinis naman, baka OC lang. Oricorio, PSA 10. Next, Umbreon, PSA 9. Digimon, Alternate Art, PSA 9. Next, Oricorio again, PSA 10. Umbreon, PSA 9. Puro 9 na. Oricorio, PSA 10. So, guys, if gusto nyo makita yung cards nyo dito, pag-grade na kayo sa akin. The best. Oricorio again, PSA 10. Next, Oricorio, PSA 9. Then, Espeon, PSA 9. Charizard, PSA 10. Latias, Crown Zenith, PSA 9. Mint 9. Kaya 9 to. Kasi may whites. Next, Charizard, PSA 10. And Mega Charizard, PSA 10. Next one. Next box. It's a box inside the box. Oh my God! So, sa sa another batch. Charizard PSA 10, 99, and lastly, Charizard EX PSA 10. Kasi, I think, merong to eh. Diba? Nakapack siya. Guys, nakapack. So, i-portrait ko lang para makita nyo. I-open na natin for another episode of Another Day, Another Opening. Let's freaking go! Let's go, guys! We have one. Ang nakuha nating grade is looks good. Oh yes guys, we got a gem mint 10 with a score of 985. Try natin scan guys para makita natin yung grade report. First time ko lang nakita to guys. Kasi hindi ko tinignan nung shinip eh. So may option kang ganun kapag papaship mo yung mga cards mo with RAF. Wait lang, inaayos ko lang yung cellphone ko guys. And let's go! Mapupunta ka sa website nila. So yan, surface issue, wala. Population 3, tatlo pa lang yung nagpa-grade. And number 1 yung akin. Sa dings, sa edges, corners, 0 lahat. Perfect, halos perfect guys. So sayang hindi pa nag 1,000 points. Pero okay na, at least mataas na yung 985. Guys, oh linis, grabe naman yan guys. Pero hindi siya ganun kaganda yung centering. Pero oh, pasok na pasok pa rin guys. Oh, ang and final view. Yun lang guys. So I hope you enjoyed my video. Click that notification bell to keep you updated. And don't forget to like and subscribe. Peace!